These are my tin can of firecrackers. Now, guys, I always have an array of tin cans on hand because once I'm finished with them, I run them through my dishwasher and then save them for different projects. I have a whole playlist filled with tin can projects. I'll leave a link for that in the description. All right, so what I did is give it a coat of Boss Bond just to act as a primer. And then for this little paper, this is actually a gingham tissue paper that I had on hand. I have no idea where I got it from because it wasn't in the package. It was just in the bin that I have my tissue paper in. So I'm Mod Podging that on to the cans. I'm using the bottom of the cans because I didn't have lids or the tops of them for each one of the cans. And so I'm just Mod Podging the tissue paper on there. And then for the fuse of the dynamite or the firecrackers rather, I am just using some jute 4-ply rope, just putting a hole in it and then kind of spreading it apart so that it, kind of looks a little wispy and a little, frazzled a little bit. And so I am using my stick fast glue. I love this. It's almost like super glue. And so don't get it on your fingers because it does make a mess. And so for the top part of the firecrackers, I'm using fabric. Now that fabric came from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just Mod Podging everything down really well. And then using my dark wax just to go around and give it a little bit of distressing. And I absolutely love these guys. Just use them in just different decor on tier trays just for, shelf sitters, just to stick in just around, just to add a little bit of patriotic pride to your home.